All right, guys, welcome to another welcome to another live stream. Welcome to another live stream. Happy Sunday, happy Sunday. So, welcome to another episode of Talking Finance while playing chess. Like we do every Sunday, we're going to talk about what we can expect from the market, the stock market, and the crypto market this upcoming week, and what financial news we should look out for, right? So, let me share my screen so we can start the chess match. And we'll get into what we think about the market this week. Give me just a second. Also, I'm getting a Ethernet cable. It has come to my attention that my internet access to Wi-Fi is just so laggy. So this is why I'm getting this lag in the stream sometimes. So I ordered an Ethernet cable. It's actually a 25-foot cable. So I have to plug it to the router and then connect it to my laptop. But that should fix any lagging issues because essentially you need good upstream speed, essentially. All right. Okay, let's start the match so we could get this started. I actually started one by accident. So let's not do earlier. Let me hit play. We should be good. All right, we should be good here. All right, so hopefully I could do market update here. All right, so it says, as we enter the week of March 9, 2025, both stock and cryptocurrency markets exhibit cautious sentiment influenced by the economic indicators, policy developments, and market dynamics. So yeah, there's a lot of stuff, especially with the tariffs and stuff like that. There's a lot of uncertainty right now in the market. So there's a lot to look forward to. But the first thing we're going to touch on is the stock market sentiment. So it says recent analysis suggests a growing concern about a potential U.S. recession. Factors such as rising tariffs, increasing credit card delinquencies, and weakening consumer confidence contribute to this outlook. So yeah, these tariffs, I just read the other day that, or I saw on crypto Twitter that I think Monday, Canada is going to cut off the electric supply to the U.S. or the amount that they provide, right? And apparently they provide a good amount of electricity to the U.S. So they're saying a lot of people in the north are going to they're going to have higher electric bills, essentially. So that's going to be interesting because I mean, I already know electric bills are already expensive, especially in the north where they got to use for heat. You know, they need a lot more heat because it gets cold over there. All right, let's see what this guy's going to do. Let's move this out. Did I lose a piece? Oh, I think I did lose a piece. Oh, man. I'm not starting off good. But it says business investments and hiring plans are also reportedly declining, exacerbated by policy unpredictability and the costs associated with import tariffs. Again, the tariffs. The tariffs seem to be the topic of discussion. And again, hopefully they come to a deal so that way, you know, we're not too impacted on prices. All right, let's see what we're going to do. I lost a horse not paying attention. Additionally, there's substantial risks tied to stock market valuation and broader financial uncertainties, including potential sell-offs in bond and equity markets. So some potential sell-offs. We've already been seeing it in the crypto market, which is surprising because we had a bunch of positive news in the crypto market. I mean, just last week, the administration got together. They held a committee to talk about the reserve, the new Bitcoin reserve, and stuff like that. Although a lot of people said the meeting was kind of disappointing because they like broadcasted it for a little bit and then turned it off to the public, which was kind of weird that they did a little bit and then just turned everything else off. I guess they didn't want people to get too excited and pump the market on any of the stuff they talked about. All right, let's see what else in the stock market. The recent market sell-off appears driven by fears over the economic impact of tariffs, business uncertainty. Despite some of the market stabilization, major indices like the S&P remain lower compared to November 5th. Remain lower compared to November 5th levels. Investors may see the drop as a buying opportunity, though risk persists due to high stocks valuations, tariff impacts on business confidence, and political uncertainty over further tax and deregulation measures. Yeah, everything. I mean, I see, especially when it comes to blue chip stocks, to me, everything's a buying opportunity because we know the stock market is going to go back up. We know the blue chip cryptos are going to go back up. Maybe not the meme coins, but your blue chip cryptos most likely will go back up. It's not going to stay down forever. So, yeah, I do agree with that. It is a buying opportunity. Okay, let's see what's going on here because I wonder, let's see. What is he going to do? He's going to back up. He's going to have to back up now. If not, he's going to lose this horse. All right, so the crypto, and what I can remember from what I can remember from last week, I think all the indices ended up down for the most part. So, do I take his horse, and then he's gonna take my pawn, but he may come down. You know what? Let me just go ahead and do that. Here we go. Okay. All right, so that was this. That was the crypto sentiment going. I mean, crypto. That was the stock sentiment for the stock market this week. Now, the crypto sentiment, the cryptocurrency market has experienced a state of fear, as indicated by the Fear and Greed Index declining to 27. Now, remember, a month ago, the Fear and Greed Index was like above 40. I think it was even in the 50s. So yeah, there's a lot of fear. I mean, I think BTC right now. We could go to the price, but BTC right now, I mean, it's crashing. It's at 83, which is weird. For me, it's just a bunch of manipulation. What I heard on Twitter was it was a lot of Binance manipulating the market. Like when they looked at the transactions, it was a lot coming from Binance. Let's see, what is he gonna do? I'm making it very tough. Tough. Very tough. He can move that over. He may move it over there. But then I get a free pawn, essentially. Yeah, I get a free pawn. He didn't want to give me that. He was stressing about that. Yeah, so the Fear and Greed Index down. Ethereum shows bullish tendencies with price targeting. It says price targeting 7,500. I know a lot of people are very bullish on Ethereum at this point because, again, typically the altcoin season happens when Ethereum starts to break out, and we haven't gotten that yet. So we'll see what happens here in the next couple of weeks. Again, it's the year after the halving, so it tends to be the most bullish year. So I don't think that's going to change. It's just probably pushed out a month. So, but I know a lot of people are going crazy, like, oh, my portfolio's down. I'm so concerned and things like that. But you got to remember, just a few months ago, we were at 50, 60,000. Now we're sitting at 83. I mean, it looks pretty good to me. Let's see. Doo-doo, doo-doo. Huh. Wait a second. All right. Let's do something like this. Put that pressure on him. Pressure. I think I'm only going to do one game today. Key financial events to monitor this week. Inflation data, the consumer price index for February is scheduled for release on Wednesday. So wow. So we got that report. This report will provide insights into inflation trends, which are crucial for assessing future monetary policies. Economic indicators, additional reports on jobs and consumer center are expected this week, offering a what does it say? Offering further insights into the economic landscape and potential impacts on the market sentiment. All right, so he's trying to go for my queen here. Okay. I'm not going to let this happen. And doing pretty good on time. 5 minutes apiece. Crypto regulations. Ongoing discussions regarding cryptocurrency regulations, including the establishment of the U.S. Crypto Reserve, may influence market dynamics. So, yeah, so maybe there's some additional news that comes out on that as far as the what they spoke about, because they did close it early to the public. So who knows? They may have spoken about something a lot more significant, but they just don't want to tell the public. Okay, so let's see. Can we pressure him? He's up one piece. Can I pull the W is the question. I think I can. I think I could get the W even though I'm down a piece. Even though I'm down a piece, I think I could get the W here. Make sure my mic's good. Oh, he lost a piece. He lost a piece. And he's down on time. So look at that. I lost a piece. This is a good lesson. When you're down a piece in chess, don't panic. Just play the game, make solid moves, and you're going to come back. Now the game is equalized. And now it's time to take over. And I'm beating him on time. So, while giving financial news at the same time. So I see what he's trying to do there. There we go. Hopefully I don't get tricked here because he's definitely trying to come back. I'll run him down on the time. All right, let's see. Let's see. Yeah, he's definitely trying to come in and then do that. So what I got to do, I definitely got to put pressure on him right here. Definitely got to put pressure on him. Yep, I knew he was going to do that. I don't want to draw this out. I don't know if he's going to do something different here. Because if he goes down, he's going to try to draw it out. So let's see. If I go here, he's going to bring this horse down, which is going to get real sticky. But then I could bring my horse down. Right? If he brings a horse, what? I don't think I have any threats. All right, let's see. He's going to bring the horse down. Yeah, and then... Oh, darn it, did I screw up here? Yeah, I did screw up. Darn it, guys. I screwed up here. I screwed up, guys. I'm sorry. I screwed up, guys. I screwed up. Well, at least I get a piece for a piece. He's gonna switch. He's Oh, well, if he didn't do that, then in my opinion, he is maybe not. He should have took it because now I should be able to run the clock down. I think we'll be good. Um, Darn it, maybe not. This is gonna get sticky. I think he got me. Darn it. It's over. He beat me. Yeah, I should have did it out. So I'll show you guys. I didn't really want to do it, but he was just I didn't want to. I could have drew it out because he kind of knew what was up, and now it makes me want to like rematch him because I know I could beat him. Yeah, I think I want to run the rematch. Hopefully he agrees. But I was gonna show you guys. But I know I could beat him. But I don't think he's gonna accept because he knows. Did he leave? Oh yeah, he did leave out. Yeah, so okay, let me just go over why I did what I did. And again, I really don't explain the game, but just to put it in perspective. So we go all the way back here, right? So I could have just kept, because he kept going down. So I put this there. He checked me. I went back up. And, okay, yeah, so that's what I didn't do. So when he came down, I could have just came down again, right? And then he would have had to come back up. And then I would have went back up. And then he probably would have drew out the game. Because at that time, he was running out of things. I should have did that, though. That probably would have been the smarter thing to do. But I was just trying to go for the win. So, but let's play another game that actually I don't like to leave. Usually I don't mind losing, but that one I knew I could have won. So let me just play another one here. But yeah, overall, the crypto market for me, I mean, it's tanking right now. Obviously, it's open 24/7. It looks like people are just getting shaken out. I think on it for me, it's market manipulation. It's not anything to do with the crypto market. And again, 80,000 is a really good number. I've been saying we've been at 50K just in November and December, so it's really not that long ago. Let me see if there was any other news highlights. No, but that was it. The consumer price index for February is scheduled to release Wednesday, so it should be interesting. And it's also going to play a factor into whether the Fed reduces interest rates. So again, that's going to be another key factor. I think they're going to meet up this week to discuss interest rates. So hopefully we get an interest rate cut and we continue the crypto bull market, which would be great. All right, I think this is good right here. I have my reasons. I have my reasons. Man, that last game, I should have just drew it out. I should have just kept repeating the steps because he was praying for a lifeline. All right, I don't like the way I set this up here. Yeah, he's gonna go here and then try to think. So I have to go like this. He's either gonna take my queen or take this bishop. And I'll do this. He's probably gonna come down with his bishop. Yeah, no, he's trying to fork it. All right, and I'm not gonna let that happen. He'll probably come down with his thing. Darn it. I saw that at the last second. Let's see if he wants to rematch. I can't go out like that. Nope, he doesn't want the rematch. Yeah, you gotta be careful too with those. I was trying to mitigate that risk. I saw that coming. I was gonna clean that out, but I got too greedy with the free pawn that was available. So let's do one more. Is this the same person? It looks like the same person. The picture looks the same. All right, I gotta focus. I gotta get this done. All right, this is gonna be the last game. Last game for me. You'll be on here all day if you go over like 3 games or you try to vindicate your losses. But yeah, I honestly think I can't wait for April. I think it's going to be really something. I think Bitcoin's going to make the next leg up in April or close to the end of March. Again, the prices are down now, but I always show this chart right here. Historically, March is a great month. It's a 12% month. And right now we're down. So we still got I think there's like an extra week in March. Oh, it's in my turn. Okay. Yeah. So historically, bullish month for crypto in March. So, and we just got started. It's just the first week, so I'm really not worried about it. I know a lot of people are, but hey, no pain, no gain. No pain, no gain. And that's the thing with people when they invest. I would say more like the middle class. Like they expect it just to be straight up. But if you look at every chart, like in the past, it's volatility. The trajectory is upwards, right? But there is down peaks, dips, stuff like that. All right, we got to get the dub here. Let's stop playing around. All Putting pressure, putting pressure. My synopsis of my first two games. First one, I should have won. Again, I lost my horse in the first game. Came back, equalized the game, and just because I didn't want to draw it out, I ended up losing. And I recommend you just go for the draw, to be honest, and shot it instead of trying to draw it out. All right, so this is there. All right, I go here. Take, buddy, take, buddy, take. Take, buddy, take. Yeah, so I get that Ethernet cable this week. So here's what I'm going to do. This is a little quick. He's going to have to protect. And then I'll go grab. So that's a free pawn. Opens up the play. He has to take with his king. It'll open it up. And I don't know what he's... Oh, he's trying to go for the checkmate. But now he's going to lose his thing. You see what I'm saying? So this game is pretty much over here. And look, so now I get a free castle. And now things get a little bit tricky for him. And he loses. He should have went. Nah, so now it's over. It's definitely game over now. He understands. Hopefully he resigns. Cut this game short. Cut this game short. Look, now he has to move this horse. If he doesn't move this horse, he's going to get screwed. And then the only where he can... Oh, well, he can't... Yeah, he can move it there. But then I take that bishop. So this game is over, pretty much. Which is good. I like ending the game with the... Or ending with a dub, at least one. What are you going to do now, buddy? You lost. You lost. It's over. He's crumbling. He's crumbling. Oh. Watch this. He's crumbling. Crumble cake. You know what? I'm just gonna be safe. Well, let's not even do that. Let's see what we can do here to get him out of there quick. You know what? Oh, here, cool. I didn't even see that. It's about to be over, bro. Oh, look at that. It's a free pawn. I mean, a free bishop. It's a freebie. Cool. He's gonna get that free thing. He resigned. Got the W. Got the W. No, I can't do a rematch. All right. So yeah, man. Some good chess. But yeah, so the market looks like it is just uncertainty again with the tariffs, with the and for stocks, and also it affects the crypto market. But then also just the uncertainty as far as what happened in that committee meeting and things like that. More people were expecting like an announcement to actually buy BTC. This looks like it's going to be like a wallet where people that have illegal or obtained illegal crypto, that's where that wallet's going to be for. But who knows? They're also expecting some type of tax announcement too, so we may get that. But again, it's the beginning of March. We still have a lot more time, and typically March we end up very positive for crypto. So that's pretty much it. Also, the CPI data should be very telling as far as interest rate cuts, and that should affect the market as well. But that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.